In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the transparency panel in Adobe Illustrator. We'll walk through making any object see-through, fine-tuning how it blends with the artwork beneath, and handling text or grouped elements with confidence. This is a simple, non-destructive way to create depth, focus, and subtle layering without permanently changing your artwork. Start by selecting the object you want to make transparent. Click it with the selection tool to highlight it. If you're working with multiple shapes, you can select them together so they all receive the same treatment. For text or grouped artwork, decide whether you want the entire group to be affected or only specific pieces. If you need to target individual parts inside a group, enter isolation mode by double-clicking the group, then click the specific element you want to adjust. Next, open the transparency panel, go to the top menu, choose Window, and then Transparency. If you already have it docked on your workspace, just bring it forward so you can see the controls clearly while you work. In the transparency panel, find the opacity slider. This is where the magic happens. At 100%, your object is fully opaque. As you move the slider down, the object becomes more see-through, revealing the colors and shapes underneath. Try values like 70% for a subtle fade or 30 to 50% for a more obvious effect. Watch your artwork as you adjust. Everything updates in real time. Keep in mind that opacity applies to the entire selected object, including its fill, stroke, and effects. Right next to opacity, you'll see the blending mode drop down. This controls how the selected object's colors interact with whatever sits below. Multiply is great for darkening and creating realistic shadows. Screen lightens, giving a soft glow or highlight effect. Overlay boosts contrast and can add a punchy, layered look. Each mode calculates color differently, so cycle through a few and choose the one that best complements your background. Small opacity tweaks after choosing a blend mode can make the result feel more natural. For text or grouped objects, you can apply transparency to the whole group for a consistent, unified look, or isolate it to specific parts for emphasis. If you apply opacity to the group, everything inside fades together. If you only want one shape or a portion of text to be transparent, select just that element and adjust its opacity, leaving the rest untouched. And that's it. With selection, the transparency panel, the opacity slider, and